You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this confusing word. Yes, I know, it does create a lot of confusion, and that's because there are two main pronunciations in English that are correct and that exist. If you want to learn more vocabulary, stay tuned. I've linked to many more interesting videos at the end of this one. So the most common pronunciation in English, and that's both British English and American English, is as temporarily. Alright, so let's break it down. Temporarily. Temporarily. You know, and there's a really good tempo into this word, temporarily. Now, the other one is as temporarily. That does exist as well. Temporarily. So you skip the P-O-R-A, and that's pra. Tempora. Temporarily. Temporarily or temporarily. So when you break down all the syllables, temporarily or temporarily. Did you get this? Could you hear the difference? Was this any useful? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.